Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, if you are rocking an older device on an older iOS version like iOS 12, yes, with iOS 12 there is no update available for all those iOS 12 devices. But if you are using a newer device on an older version like iOS 13 because you want to stay on an older version to keep your jailbreak, but at the same time you use WhatsApp, now you open it, you are seeing this message, update to the latest version of iOS to continue using WhatsApp. This message annoys you because every time you open it, you will have to hit OK to use WhatsApp. Even if you minimize it and reopen it, the message appears again. And in this video, we will fix it. For this, you will have to be jailbroken. The jailbreak guides are in the description. If you are jailbroken with Checkra1n, you will get Cydia. If you are jailbroken with Camera, you will get Celio. So simply open the either package manager, go to search, and if you are using Cydia, first of all install Substitute. Simply search and install it, and it will automatically install substrate safe mode also. And if you are using Celio, install lib hooker common. Simply search and install it, and it will automatically install all the related packages. Also again go to search and search for preference loader and install this package as well. Now go to sources and make sure the big boss repo is added. To add a repo on Cydia, simply hit this edit button, then hit add, type the source here and then hit add source. On Celio, you will simply see an add button here, type the source and add it. Once added, simply go to search for block update iOS WhatsApp. You will see this package. Simply hit it. It is completely free and you can install and confirm. Now once you are in, let's open WhatsApp again. You can see it works without any issue. The pop-up is now gone. I will just close it, reopen it. I will also close from the app switcher and reopen it. You can see it is now fixed. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.